Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to show internet speed on status bar. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me, let's get started. So many mobile phones have inbuilt features that allows you to show the internet speed on your status bar, but some mobiles may not have that feature. As a result, you'll have to install some external applications. Let's talk about what you'll have to do if you have the inbuilt feature on your phone. For that, you'll have to go to your settings first. On settings, go ahead and tap on the search icon. And on this search bar, simply type show network speed. If you have the inbuilt feature on your phone, then you'll see some options here. Let's try show internet speed as well. But no, my phone doesn't have that inbuilt feature. If you find that inbuilt feature on your phone, then simply turn that on. Now let's talk about which app to install if you don't have that feature on your phone. So for that, go to Play Store. And then install this app on your phone, Internet Speed Meter Lite. Tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Okay, the app has been installed. Now open the app. For now, you cannot see any internet speed showing up on the status bar, right? Once you open the application and wait for a few seconds, then the internet speed will be displayed on the status bar. You can see the live example here. The best thing is the app will keep track of your internet speed every day, like this. So it's really useful. So yeah, this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.